stern. Will ye worthy of your grace, as long as me arm? The going trencher, there you fill. He's freaking out there, man. Your huddle's like a distant hill. Your pin would help to mend a mill by time o' need. Well, through the pores, the drews distill like ambered heat. The knife see rustic labour dicht, and cut you up with ready slick, frinching your gushing entrails bright like oily dicht. And then, oh, what a glorious sight, warm, reeking recht. Then horn for horn, they stretch and strive, dale they hindermost, all they drive. Fill their weed, swell be ye, and bend like drums, and then all guild, mice to rive, be thanked in hums. My colleague.
Is there an hour in this French regout, or olio that wad straw I saw, or fricassee that mad make her spay with perfect scunner? Look down with sneering, scornful view on sick at dinner. For the devil, see we hear more of this trash, as feckless as our whiters rash, a spindle shank, a good whiplash, his nerve and knit, through bloody flute, or field to dash, how unfit. But mark the rustic haggis fed, the trembling earth resounds his tread. Clapped in his wifey knee his blade, we'll make it whistle. Legs and arms and heads will sned like taps at thistle. Ye powers will make mankind your care, and dish them out their bill of fare. While Scotland once may stinking wear, that jumps me luggies. But if you wish her grateful pair, give her a haggis.